At ito, first ball position ng Brazil sa third quarter. Umiscore kagad sila. First ball position ng Gilas sa third quarter. Sablay. Second ball position ng Brazil. Offensive foul. Second ball position ng Gilas. Turnover. Ito, third ball position ng Brazil. The wingman relocates to the corner for a corner 3. Pasok yan. Decides to pull up from the free throw line. Mintis. Rebound. Nakuha ng Brazil. All of a sudden, the point guard swings the ball to the corner for an open 3. Huli na ang closeout ni Aguilar. Coach Tim Cone calls for a timeout. So Brazil got an 8-0 run. So Dwight Ramos took a contested 3. Mintis. Sablay yung tira, pero nakakuha ng foul kay Carl Tamayo. Fifth ball position ng Gilas, sablay pa rin. Sixth ball position ng Brazil, pasok yan. Sixth ball position ng Gilas, supal pa lang inabot. Seventh ball position ng Brazil, dak-dak. Seventh ball position ng Gilas, supal pa lang inabot ni Fajardo. Eighth ball position ng Brazil, Mintis. Eighth ball position ng Gilas, Mintis pa rin. Ninth ball position ng Brazil, Mintis pa rin. Ninth ball position ng Gilas, Fajardo, tinawagan ng offensive foul. 10th ball position ng Brazil, Brownlee, tinawagan ng foul. Unang free throw, Mintis. Pangalawang free throw, pasok. So napako na after 33 ang score ng Gilas. 10th ball position ng Gilas, Mintis pa rin. 11th ball position ng Brazil, buti na lang nagmintis din. 11th ball position ng Gilas, dito na tayo naka-score. 12th ball position ng Brazil, buti na lang nagmintis. 12th ball position ng Gilas, mintis din. 13th ball position ng Brazil, mintis pa rin. 13th ball position ng Gilas, mintis pa rin. May nakitang foul ang referee, ball position pa rin ng Gilas. 14th ball position ng Gilas, ayaw pa rin pumasok. 15th ball position ng Brazil, alley-oop na sana, langanin lang. 15th ball position ng Gilas, Newsome tinawagan ng offensive foul. Mintis yung 16th ball position ng Brazil. 16th ball position ng Gilas, turnover. 17th ball position ng Brazil, pasok yan sa 3. 17th ball position ng Gilas, pasok yan si G. Perez. 18th ball position ng Brazil, nakabingwit na foul. Si Brownlee palang tinawagan. Pasok yung first and second free throw ni Caboclo. 18th ball position ng Gilas, pasok yan, mid-range ni Fajardo. 46-39 ang score with 1 minute more to go. 19th ball position ng Brazil, sablay, pero nakuha nilang offensive rebound. At naipasok pa nila ang second chance opportunity. 19th ball position ng Gilas, Caboclo tinawagan ng foul. At ito na nga, 10 points na ang kalamangan ng Brazil. At yan na nga ang naging kapalaran ng Gilas, hindi na nga sila nakarecover pa hanggang sa 4th quarter, lalo na nung hindi na halos sumablay ang mga tira ng Brazil.